Jacket. Clothing for the upper body, usually having a collar, sleeves, and pockets. Coat. An outer garment that has sleeves and covers the body from shoulder down. Socks. Something that you wear on your foot inside your shoe. Shoes. A strong covering for the foot, often made of leather. Trainers. A soft sports footwear. Boots. A strong shoe that covers your foot and part of your leg. Example. This jacket is just my size. That jacket fits you perfectly. She's only wearing a thin summer jacket. What stuff is this jacket made of? The tailor has cut my coat very well. He bought me a new coat. Let me get your coat for you. His coat was covered with dirt. I put on a new pair of nylon socks. He wears clean socks every day. I have worn my socks into holes. Put on your shoes and socks. How many pairs of shoes do you have? He took his shoes and socks off. These new shoes are not very comfortable. These shoes need to be repaired. His large feet were shod in trainers. He's got some wicked trainers. They didn't have any trainers in my size. I need to buy new trainers. I helped him pull his boots off. I can't walk in these boots. Her boots were muddy. She scraped the mud off her boots. Suit. A jacket and trousers, or a jacket and skirt, that are made from the same material. Shorts. A very short pair of trousers that stop above the knees. Dress. A garment with a joined blouse and skirt, usually worn by a woman or girl. Shirt. A piece of clothing made of a thin material such as cotton and fastened with buttons in the front. Jumper. Warm clothing that covers the upper body and is worn over the head. Skirt. A piece of women's clothing that hangs from the waist and has no legs. Example. This suit is perfect for me. He put on his best suit. How do you like this suit? He was wearing a suit made from pure silk. He wears a pair of shorts. Our team were wearing blue shorts. These shorts are too tight for me. I'll need new shorts soon. She was wearing a yellow dress. She felt cold in her flimsy dress. You look amazing in this dress. The dress fastens at the back. You look good in that shirt. He always wears a shirt and tie. That shirt looks good on you. This shirt is your size. It's very cold, so put a jumper on. He had picked a hole in his jumper. Does this skirt go with my jumper? I want a plain black jumper. The zip on my skirt had broken. Does this skirt suit me? I have to iron my skirt. Her skirt ballooned in the wind. Hat. Something you wear to cover your head for fashion or protection. Gloves. A piece of clothing that covers your fingers and hand. Watch. A small clock on a strap that you fasten round your wrist. Ring. A round piece of jewelry that you wear on your finger. Tie. A long, thin piece of cloth that a man wears around his neck with a shirt. Belt. A long, thin piece of leather, cloth, or plastic that you wear around your waist. Example. She was wearing a red hat. A hat is a covering for your head. Hang your hat on the hook. That's a pretty hat you're wearing. I slipped off my woolen gloves. These are my gloves. I've left my gloves on the bus. He removed his hat and gloves. Wind up your watch every day. What time is it by your watch? The man glanced at his watch. He was robbed of his watch. He has a gold ring on his finger. The diamond ring is the most expensive. This is a real gold ring. I hope you will soon find your lost ring. Do I have to wear a tie? He always wears a shirt and tie. I'm not going to wear a tie. His tie came undone. She wore a wide belt round her waist. He's looking for a leather belt. He unbuckled his leather belt. My belt is too tight.